Hey there, Shopify enthusiasts! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding products to your Shopify store directly from Aliexpress. It's a quick and efficient way to start your dropshipping business. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Aliexpress app on Shopify. With the app installed, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps. Look for the Aliexpress app and open it. It may take a few seconds to load. Step 2. Install DSers Chrome extension. You'll need Google Chrome for this to work. Click on the Home button on the top left and then select Chrome extension. This is where we'll install DSers. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add extension. To keep the DSers extension handy at all times, click on the puzzle icon in your browser menu and make sure the pin icon next to DSers is blue. Step 3. Log into DSers account. Now, let's connect DSers with your Aliexpress account. Click on DSers Home to get to the home page, then click Login. This should automatically link your DSers account to the Chrome extension. Step 4. Import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Head back to Aliexpress and let's click Find Supplier, and Aliexpress website show the results, and then you can click any product. And at the bottom of the product page, you'll notice a new button that says Add to DSers. This is what we'll use to import the product to Shopify. Step 5. Configure import settings. Before importing, let's quickly configure some options in the DSers extension. Click on the extension icon and select Options. For shipping methods, leave it at All. If you plan to sell in a country other than the US, remember to change the country and currency settings accordingly. Step 6. Import the product. Now, click Add to DSers at the bottom of the Aliexpress product page. This will import the product to your DSers account. Step 7. Edit product details. Head back to your DSers dashboard and click on Import List on the left side. Here, you'll see the product you just imported. But before we push it to Shopify, let's click Edit Product. In this step, you can choose to import specific product variants. Delete the ones you don't want to sell, but I'll keep them all for now. You can also modify the product description and select the images you want to import. Step 8. Check shipping info. Click on Shipping Info and ensure that the product ships to the country where you plan to sell. In my case, it's the United States. If the delivery time isn't ideal, don't worry, we can optimize it later. Step 9. Push the product to Shopify. Save your changes and then click Push to Shopify. Make sure to select Publish to Online Store. Now, click Push to Shopify. Step 10. Check your Shopify store. Finally, head back to your Shopify dashboard, click on Product, and you'll see the new product added to your store. That's it. You've successfully added a product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store using DSers. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your dropshipping business. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for